Being a mom is a full-time job, especially for homeschool moms who run a one-woman show. While teaching at home is rewarding, it can also be isolating and overwhelming. Finding support and encouragement is essential. Homeschool moms need their own village. Today, we'll talk about building that village. I'll share 10 ways to find the support you need to thrive in homeschooling. Remember, you are doing amazing things, Mama. Some of you might think, a co-op? Isn't that just more work? And you're not wrong. It does require effort, but the benefits far outweigh the challenges. Think of it as a village marketplace where you can trade skills and resources with other homeschooling families. It's a place where everyone brings something unique to the table. Maybe you're great at math but struggle with science. There's likely another parent who's the opposite. That's the beauty of a co-op. You tap into the collective knowledge and skills of the group. Imagine your child excitedly learning about the solar system with other kids, conducting group science experiments, or even participating in a history reenactment. Co-ops provide a built-in support system for parents too. Swap stories, share curriculum ideas, and get advice from seasoned homeschooling parents. It's a community where you can find emotional support and understanding. You might even make lifelong friends. We all need someone who understands the joys and challenges of homeschooling. In a co-op, you're not alone. You're part of a network that celebrates diversity and collaboration. The collective wisdom and experience of the group can be a game changer for your homeschooling journey. Whether it's organizing field trips, planning educational activities, or simply having a sounding board for your ideas, a co-op can make a world of difference. So if you're considering joining a homeschool co-op, take the plunge. The rewards are immense, and the experience can be enriching for both you and your child. Co-ops provide a built-in support system for parents too. Swap stories, share curriculum ideas, and get advice from seasoned homeschooling parents. You might even make lifelong friends. We all need someone who understands the joys and challenges of homeschooling. We all need someone who understands the joys and challenges of homeschooling. We all need someone who understands the joys and challenges of homeschooling. Some of you might think, I live in the middle of nowhere. There's no co-op for miles. Guess what? You don't need a physical location to find your tribe. The internet is like a giant city with neighborhoods dedicated to homeschooling. Facebook groups, online forums, dedicated websites, it's all out there. You can find resources, advice, and support at your fingertips. Imagine asking a curriculum question and getting responses from hundreds of other homeschooling parents. Online communities offer a collective well of experience and knowledge available 24/7. It's about feeling seen and heard, knowing you're not alone in homeschooling. There's an online community out there waiting to welcome you. Whether you're looking for advice on lesson plans or just need a place to vent, these communities have got your back. You can share your successes and challenges and learn from others' experiences. Plus, you can exchange resources and ideas, making your homeschooling journey richer and more fulfilling. So don't hesitate to dive in and connect. Your tribe is just a click away. Let's talk about homeschool conventions. You might think conventions are for salespeople and boring lectures, but homeschool conventions are different. Think of it as a giant homeschooling family reunion. Thousands of homeschooling parents and kids sharing ideas and resources. Booths overflowing with curriculum, workshops led by experts, and networking opportunities. Connect with other parents, share tips, and make new friends. The energy is inspiring, surrounded by passionate homeschooling families. You'll leave feeling energized and ready to tackle the new school year. While online communities are fantastic, face-to-face interaction is irreplaceable. There's something truly special about meeting other homeschooling families in person, sharing experiences, and building lasting friendships. Local support groups offer regular meetups for park days, field trips, and curriculum swaps. These gatherings provide a wonderful opportunity for both parents and children to socialize, learn, and explore together. Imagine your kids playing in the park while you chat with other moms about homeschooling. It's a chance to exchange tips, discuss challenges, and celebrate successes in a supportive environment. These groups are often tailored to the specific needs of families in your area. Whether you're looking for academic support, social activities, or specialized learning approaches, there's likely a group that fits your needs. Whether you're into nature-based learning, classical education, or unschooling, there's a group for you. These specialized groups allow you to connect with like-minded families who share your educational philosophy. Local groups are a goldmine of information about homeschooling resources in your area. From curriculum recommendations to local events, these groups can provide invaluable support and guidance. They offer a welcoming space to connect, learn, and grow. By joining a local support group, you can build a strong network of friends and resources that will enrich your homeschooling journey. Let's talk about asking for professional help. We juggle so much that we often forget to take care of ourselves. There's no shame in seeking professional guidance for your homeschooling journey. Homeschooling coaches and counselors provide personalized support tailored to your needs. Think of it as an investment in your family's homeschooling success. We all have moments when we need a pick-me-up. Homeschooling podcasts and blogs offer wisdom, practical tips, and heartwarming stories. Listen to an inspiring interview while folding laundry or read a blog post that speaks to your struggles. These resources are like having a virtual mentor in your back pocket. They offer encouragement, advice, and a fresh perspective whenever you need it. For many, faith is the bedrock of life, guiding decisions and shaping values. Religious communities often offer homeschooling groups, co-ops, and resources. Connect with like-minded parents who integrate faith into their children's education. These groups provide a sense of belonging, shared purpose, and unwavering support. Whether it's a Bible study, a co-op, or family gatherings, your religious community can be a source of strength. Let's talk about valuable resources, your local library and community centers. These hidden gems offer opportunities for learning, enrichment, and support. Imagine your children discovering new worlds through books or participating in hands-on experiments. Libraries and community centers also offer programs and resources for adults. From book clubs to workshops, they provide a welcoming space to connect and grow. Remember, your local library and community center are there for you. Homeschooling is about more than academics. It's about nurturing your child's passions and talents. Extracurricular activities help children become well-rounded individuals. Think about what your child loves to do and find activities that help them shine. Extracurriculars are also a great way for moms to connect with other parents. Cheering on your child or attending a recital can lead to meaningful connections. These activities provide a natural environment for building relationships. Before we wrap up, let's talk about self-care. You can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritize self-care to show up as your best self. Make time for what brings you joy and rejuvenation. Even 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Taking care of yourself is essential, not selfish. When you're refreshed, you're better equipped to handle homeschooling challenges. So there you have it, 10 ways to find support and encouragement in homeschooling. Remember, you are not alone. There's a village ready to embrace and cheer you on. Find your tribe online, locally, or through activities. Together, we can do anything. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching Russell's Loving Life.